In this video we'll remove columns from data frame that contains missing or NA values. So we'll use the drop NA function over here. So I am importing pandas as pd. Again I am going to import numpy as np. So we have covered the numpy library also. Student underscore dictionary equals, now I'll add some names. Let's say no, and then okay, let's add 4 names and okay. So now we'll add a column age, and then put some age inside it. Let's say 22, 35, 43 and let's say 23. Okay, so these are ages, and let's put some marks. 85.90, and I am going to put some NA values by using np.nan. Okay, so we have inputted 2 NA values. So finally I am going to put 90. Okay, okay. So now we'll print. So before printing the dictionary, we'll just make it a data frame. So student underscore df equals pd.DataFrame. Okay, and then we'll put student underscore dictionary. Okay, so our data frame is ready. We'll print the data frame. Before dropping column NA, let's put a next line and our data frame student underscore df. Okay, so let's see. So here some I have forgot to put the semicolon over here. Okay, so you can see this is our data frame. So now let's drop the column with NA value. Okay, so we'll put student underscore df equals student underscore df dot drop NA function, and we'll put the axis as column. Okay, columns. Then we'll just print the student df after dropping column NA, next line, and student underscore df. Okay, so we'll run the program, and we can see here the column marks had NA values, so it has removed the column. So now we will drop column where all values are missing. Drop column where all values are missing. Okay, so here we can drop an empty column with data frame using drop NA. Okay, the same function. So we'll just copy the above data to save our time. Here I am going to just change the age column with NA values. So here np.nan, np.nan, 35 also be converted to np.nan, and in 22 np.nan. Okay, so this is our new column of age with NA values inside it. So we'll just remove that. Student underscore df is equal to student underscore df dot drop na. Okay, then axis will be column, and then how equals all. So all the values should be na to be removed. Print the student data frame after dropping column na student underscore df. So the each column has been removed because all the values were na. So now we'll drop columns with number of na. So while cleaning the data set, we can keep the columns with at least some data available in it, else drop otherwise. Okay, so we'll be copying the above data and I'm just pasting it. Okay, and then I'm going to put student underscore df equals student underscore df. Okay, then drop na function, axis will be column, axis equals column, and then we'll use thresh equals 3. Okay, so here it is clear that name doesn't have any na value. So what this thresh equal 3 will do, it will keep column with 3 or more non-na values. So the above data which we have copied, so in that age also doesn't have a na value. So we'll just print the student df after dropping column na. Okay, so you can see the marks had 2 na values, so the column was removed, but here in age and name there was no na value, so it is being printed. So now we'll drop na value from defined rows, so we'll define using subset. Okay, so let's paste the above data. Okay, and now I'm going to put student underscore df equals student underscore df dot drop na. Axis will be column, axis equals column, and then we'll put subset equals 0 to 2. Okay, and then we'll just print the data frame after dropping column na student underscore data frame. Okay, so let's print it. So you can see marks had na value, so it is not printing that. So let me change one na value to some number, so let's say 77. So now when I am printing it, so it is printing the value because it now has only one na value.